Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have the official Nintendo adapter and a known good USB-C cable. The adapter's wattage matters for stable charging. Next, unplug the dock from wall power and remove the switch. Wait 60 seconds to let internal power drain. While you wait, use a bright light and a small tool to carefully inspect the dock's USB-C connector and the switch's port for debris, lint, or bent pins. Cleaning now prevents later damage, and isolate the problem. Once done, test the adapter on another USB-C device to verify it actually supplies power. If you have a spare compatible adapter, try it in the dock. Next, power the dock alone and note LED indicators. If you have a multimeter, check for roughly 15 V on the dock's output. This confirms the power board. Then place the switch into the dock with Joy-Con detached and watch the charge icon and system settings to rule out software sleep or battery calibration issues. To finish, decide the repair path based on your diagnostics. If the adapter is good but the dock shows no output, the dock's DC board or USB-C daughter board is likely faulty. Replace the board or pursue board-level repair. If the switch charges fine directly from the adapter, but not in the dock, a replacement dock is the fastest fix. If you're unsure, back up your saves and contact Nintendo support or a reputable repair shop. One key tip: document LED and multimeter readings before shipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.